Hey guys, so really fast, I want to apologize for being gone for so long, and yeah, thank you to all my new subscribers. My channel has been growing little by little, so I'm thankful for that. I am not going to promise you guys that I'm going to be coming with a lot of videos, but I do have some video ideas that I do want to create and pursue and all that stuff. So you know, like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's kind of hectic trying to find filming time, but whatever. Let's jump into why I'm here today. I'm coming back to you guys with another hair review. Yeah, I know, blah blah blah, hair review. It's not this hair. This hair I actually do sell. I'm in the process of, like, you know, trying to create my own brand and all that stuff, and you know, it's lightly flat ironed right now, so it looks kind of crazy, but whatever. None of that matters. I thought my boyfriend was home. I was sent some hair from West Kiss on Amazon. I've done a hair review. I keep hearing stuff. I've done a hair review on them before. They sent me this deep wave hair that I did actually color orange. And yeah, I actually just styled that wig yesterday. No, 2 days ago. So if you want to see how I styled that, you can go follow me on Instagram at callherzay. I'll put my name right here or whatever. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing because I'm super excited to see what's in here. So it just comes packaged in the normal Amazon Prime packaging and all of that good stuff. It has a perforated line. Let's open the package. So we're gonna try to use that. So it comes off just like this. On the inside, this is what it's looking like, okay? So we're gonna pull this out. Yeah. West Kiss contacted me via Instagram and asked if I would like to work with them again, and of course I was excited. Oh my gosh, all right, hold on. I don't even want to show y'all because that is pretty. Anyway, yeah, of course I was super excited to accept the offer. Their hair was super beautiful last time. It colored very nicely, very minimal shedding, and I believe I've had that hair since probably November-ish. I'm not sure. I will link my old videos from West Kiss in the description box, so make sure you read that. First, open up this package. This is the white package that was inside. I see this beautiful red bag, and I love red. So, ooh, they changed their packaging, so this is beautiful. This one of the silk bags that all of the companies are using, and it just says West Kiss, love your hair, kiss your beauty. This is beautiful, okay? Like, this bag right here already has me sold. So it just comes with some drawstrings, and I'm going to open this up. I was trying to find my invoice, but maybe it's inside this bag. So comes with a wig, comes with a 2-piece wig cap, which is amazing because you can never have too many wig caps. And yeah, and here is the hair. Shout out to them. And they gave me an elastic band. Ooh, yes, West Kiss, okay? So it doesn't look like I have an invoice in here, but I did check out the 16-inch wig that has like China bangs. So it comes in a plastic bag. It says right there 16 inches. Just gonna open that up. So it comes with a hairnet, which is always nice. And yeah, this is pretty much it. It smells like normal hair. So I thought that I was getting a lace wig, but it's not a lace wig. It's just a regular old wig. It has like the closure top, which is fine with me because I was excited to have bangs anyway. I haven't had like actual bangs in a really long time. So this is what the wig looks like. It's super beautiful. It smells like it smells like something I've smelled before. It doesn't smell bad at all. Anyway, it doesn't smell bad. The hair is absolutely gorgeous, okay? This is straight out of the pack. The ends look really, really nice. And yeah, I'm gonna put this. So I look crazy. I've never been on camera with my wig cap, but whatever. So this is what the inside of the wig is constructed like. It has a mesh dome cap. It's very beautiful. So you know, that's what that looks like. And then it's like this netted part. I don't know. This is what the cap looks like on the inside. It comes with 3 combs, 2 on either sides of the bang, so it probably stops somewhere around there, and then 1 in the back. And then it also has adjustable straps. Okay, so the wig cap construction is actually very, very nice. Looks like this.
Tell me how you feel.
I don't want to. It's not bad. I just I don't do bangs. These bangs are very thick. Like, you know, maybe if I like curled it or something. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this wig, but you know.
You look like you be at restaurants talking to men, get their credit cards, take them to the room, and then rob them. Damn, Jehovah brought the 7 plagues upon me.
Yeah.
What was y'all watching?
I'm recording, babe. Okay, so it straightens out pretty nice. It smells like shampoo or something. Huh? Alright, so what I can say about the wig, can you close the door? Thanks, babe. Out. Alright, what I can say about the wig is it's very thin. Well, it's not like that thin, but like, it's like, I don't even know how to explain it. The density of the wig is not, it's probably like 150 or something like that. It's not thick at all, but it's not bad. Maybe it'd be cute in like a bob, and if I like thin out the bangs. Yeah, I just don't like how my face looks with bangs. Like, if it curls, cause I love curls. I got the window open. It's like super windy. Anyway, alrighty. So the curl is really pretty. Let me see. Let's get that curl out. Away. Whatever. So yeah, I believe this wig retails for about 60 bucks. Yeah, that's it. That's all. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you are notified every single time I do post a video. And until next time, your girl's out.